Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Japan Ramen box. So with this subscription, every month you get 4 to 12 Japan-Exclusive Instant Ramen Noodles. It's $19.90 a month with free shipping worldwide. And I'm very excited about this because I love ramen. So I can't wait to see what's inside. So right on top, thank you for your subscription. To see a description of all the ramen in this month, go to this website. So that's pretty cool, because I'm sure a lot of this, it'll be hard for me to read since I'm sure it's in Japanese. So we will take a look. Okay, so they packed it with newspaper, which is kind of cool. It looks like there's little cartoons and stuff in there. That's pretty neat. Oh my gosh, how fun. So the first one, yeah, I'll probably definitely have to go online and post below what these are. And I'm sure it has the instructions on there as well, so you know how much water and all that stuff. Let me see. So there are, looks like one of those. These two look to be same brand, just maybe a different flavor. This one's red, this one's orange. Sometimes they put little stickers on the back in English, but I'm not seeing any on this one. And then we have this. Looks good. I'm very excited for that. And then we have a couple that are in bowls. So we have this one. This one. And the last one. This one's really big. Okay, so I just went on their website and looked up the ramen. This one, it says it's a pork-based flavor, and it's a really popular one in Japan. They give really good descriptions of all the different ramen that come in the box, so it's very, very helpful. And there's also a different website for instructions on how to make them. So we have this one. This one is a very salty ramen, it says, and it's very popular. It's a light, clear ramen. This one is a chicken broth with a soy sauce flavor. This one also has a soy sauce based flavor to it. This one, it says the taste is very simple, but they recommend that you add vegetables to it. It used to be found in a lot of the grocery stores, but now it's harder to find in Japan. This one is also a salt-based ramen. They say it's clear, very easy to drink. Just a basic, simple ramen. And this one I believe is a miso-based ramen, which I love miso. On the website, the pictures are a little bit different, but for the most part, it's easy to figure out which goes to which. So that is what I got. So I got 4 that are in the packages, and then 3 that are in the bowls. So altogether, I got 7 in this box. It's a pretty good deal, especially since they're coming from Japan. You don't have to pay for shipping, so really cool. I will put all the information below in case you're interested in trying this subscription. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.